First Bitcoin ATM. Uruguay adopts crypto in South America. Uruguay has reportedly installed its first Bitcoin ATM, making it the 11th South America country to publicly encourage crypto adoption. Prior to Uruguay involvement, South America hosted 79 ATMs representing 0.2% of global Bitcoin ATM installations. Launching from Cointelegraph, Monday, January 17, Uruguay's first crypto ATM was installed in the coastal city of Punta del Este, a major tourist attraction in the region. Uruguay's first Bitcoin ATM was developed and installed in partnership with two local crypto companies, URUBit and inBierto. Crypto ATM in Uruguay currently support withdrawals and deposits of 5 cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Binance USD, Ferret Token, and URUBit. FRT and URUB are in-house cryptocurrencies managed and distributed by URUBit and inBierto, respectively. Adolfo Varela, CEO of inBierto, confirmed that the initiative is 100% funded by the government of Uruguay. inBierto is a crypto investment platform, which is also a member of the Uruguayan FinTech Chamber, Cámara Uruguaya de FinTech, a startup accelerator focused on the FinTech sector. URUBit is a decentralized token created in Uruguay and used on the Binance Smart Chain. Data from Coin ATM rather shows that Colombia leads the South American market with 31 crypto ATM installations to date, followed by Brazil and Argentina at 22 and 11 installations, respectively. Other South America countries such as Ecuador, Venezuela, Aruba, and Saint Kitts and Nevis have also installed one crypto ATM. Last year, a Uruguayan senator introduced a bill seeking to regulate cryptocurrencies and allow businesses to accept crypto payments. As Cointelegraph reports, Senator Juan Sartori has no interest in adopting crypto as a legal tender. Instead, he suggests, today we present a bill that seeks to establish a legal and secure use in businesses related to the production and commercialization of virtual currencies in Uruguay.